Saturdays too. You don't need that. We don't need that. Yeah. And the back is fine. Our bag is back. We trash in the car.
Thank you.
Hey. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Take care. Thank you.
How you doing?
Hello. How are you?
I'm good.
I like that. That's awesome. You can see clearly good.
Uh-huh.
Oh, great. 310. Oh, that's so cool. I can't stop the steering.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Take care.
You too. What is good, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another video with your boy Randy, man. Tonight's video, we're doing a 1 a.m. POV drive. As y'all can see right now, the car isn't fully clean, but it sits nice. Pretty cool. Got a little walk around real quick. And also, y'all, I did get my GTS taillights on Saturday. I did install them. As y'all can see, looks pretty cool, I would say. Let me know how y'all feel about it in the comments down below. I had asked this girl which one looked better, my GTS taillights and my OEM. Told me my OEM looks better, so I don't know. It's like it's just based on the person's preference. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I looked at my picture when I took a picture of my my OEM taillights, and I compared it to my GTS taillights. I'm like, damn, they kind of look similar, I guess, in like looks. So let me know how y'all feel about it in the comments down below. This is how the car currently looks. For the new people that's subscribed to my channel, basically we got done downpipe intake, custom tuned E50, aftermarket wheels, black gloss front lip, black grill, got a stock mirror caps. But I definitely want y'all to tell me like well, how do y'all feel about the GTS tail lights? Like, does it look better, or should I go back to OEM? I ain't gonna lie, when the girl told me my OEM tail lights look better, I ain't gonna lie, kind of hurt my soul. I ain't gonna lie, what the fuck? How does my OEM tail light looks better than my GTS tail lights? And I just got these shits installed and shit. Like, what? Like, I did not want to hear that, bro. Not gonna lie. But let's go ahead and get the video started for y'all. I literally just came out the hospital, y'all, so this wouldn't be a chill ass drive. Even though this Red Bull, I ain't gonna lie, it got me going right now. For the new people, I want you to hear the car. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. And also, if you did watch my last video, I did put my car back in I did put the burbles back on just a little. Now, I ain't gonna lie, I'm too used to the burbles, y'all, so it sounds crazy when I turn it off all the way. Like, my ears are just too used to it, so I just put it on a little. It's not crazy, y'all. Like, I feel like just a little is fine. I don't think I'll ever be mature enough. I'm 22. I don't think I'll ever be mature enough to turn burbles off all the way. I just want to hear a little pops. Like, a little pops won't hurt. Turn my lights on. Now for the people that turn it off completely, bro. Like, man, I don't know how y'all do it. I just couldn't do it. Not gonna lie. Y'all are hella mature. I'm not that mature, y'all. I'm not that mature, y'all. So I gotta hear like a little something. Like, how don't y'all like that, bro? Like, I don't understand. How don't y'all like a little pops? Like, it don't sound right, so it don't sound bad. Like, my shit's just regular. I understand what y'all be saying, like, people pops be like crazy, it be loud as shit, but I feel like mine's just cool, it's calm, it's not too much, and it's not too bad. I literally have my my pops on like 1 second duration. I think like the OEM setting is like 1.2, and I turned it down to like 1 second, so I don't think that's bad. And I have it on the OEM setting. I don't have it on aggressive or soft. I ain't trying to push it too hard, y'all, because I literally just seen cops over here and I don't know where they went. Right before I went to the gas station, I seen cops, and I don't know where they went, so I ain't trying to squeeze it too hard. I ain't trying to go too crazy. And this, like I said, it's gonna be a chill ass video. I literally just got out of the hospital, bro. I had an ear infection. I couldn't hear at all, so I'm feeling way much better now. And like, I ain't recorded a video in like a couple of days, so like, oh, it's a cop right here in front of me. What the fuck? I didn't realize that. I was about to overtake this nigga, bro. It's a cop right in front of me. I'm dead. Please don't go left. Please don't go left. Please don't go left. Please. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We're about to go into the city, y'all. If you live in Florida, you know where I'm going. You know you cannot speed in this goddamn area. They got cameras everywhere and shit like that, but I'm going down there anyway. I ain't trying to, hopefully I don't get pulled over and get no ticket, but like I said, y'all, like, it's just beautiful in this area, so I want to take that down here with me and enjoy the drive. I know I ain't uploaded a video in like 5 days, so also, y'all, we're literally about to get monetized on YouTube. We're literally right there. After this video, I should be monetized, so appreciate y'all so much for the support, subscribers, like everybody that's new to the channel that's been supporting, like do that much talking this video. I want y'all to literally just sit back and relax and enjoy the B58 ASMR. Just enjoy this shit. Be a relaxed, cool video. Thing is, I have multiple personalities, so like one video I can be very calm, relaxed, cool, and then the next video I can be super like hyper retarded, ADHD type shit. It literally just depends on what mood I wake up in and how my day is going. Damn, got more cops from by my window up. Look how beautiful the city is, y'all. Oh my god. Slow down for this nigga, bro. I ain't trying to get pulled over. I need to go in the middle lane to be safe. Look at this. Look how beautiful the city is, y'all. Shit is nice, man. Slow down extra. Damn, niggas is everywhere. What the fuck? Look to my right, niggas is over here in the plaza, niggas, yo. Like, I called it, but like, I didn't expect these niggas to be out like this. I might have to go a different route so I can speed and shit. Got a little stingray, what's that? I eat those for dinner, I ain't gonna lie. I haven't been to Mexico in a minute, y'all. What else? Oh my god, another fucking cop right there. GG, bro. What the fuck? Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I cannot speed in this area at all, y'all. I'm finna bust a right and get the fuck up out of here, dog. As soon as I speed, niggas is on my ass. And it's more than one of these niggas, bro. These niggas is everywhere tonight. Fuck. Should I go straight or should I go right? Let's see. Let's go straight. Oh, nah, let's go right. Fuck that. I see police lights down there as well. Like, hell nah, bruh. GG, bro. G fucking G. Nigga got me scared to hit it right now. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Imagine I hit it right now, nigga. Waiting on me, bruh. YOLO, fuck it. Oh, fuck. I thought it was a pothole in the road. I felt that little bump. I thought it was a pothole. I thought the shit was over with. I ain't gonna lie. What the fuck? Damn. Niggas is fishing over there. What time is it? Damn. Go ahead and try to launch this motherfucker. I haven't used launch control in a long ass time, bro. I damn near forgot how to use this shit low key, bro. Because my car is rear wheel drive, y'all. I gotta think about. I don't launch this car at all. I damn near forgot. I know I gotta put it in. Hold on, let's see. Oh, there you go. Oh, fuck. That was a practice, y'all. That was a practice. Let me get another red light and I can launch this bitch. I haven't did that shit in a long ass time. I don't launch this car at all. I'm sure literally strictly rolls. Just rear wheel drive. Let's wind the windows down. Let's enjoy the wind. Man, how y'all doing tonight, man? Shit. The channel. Ooh. And we're about to hit 1,700 subscribers, y'all. Thank you guys. Thank you all new supporters, the new people that's watching the channel. Support goes a long way, bro. We're literally like one video away from getting monetized, bro. I appreciate you guys so much, bro. By the time I drop this video, I should be monetized. So thank you guys so much. We can start earning money on YouTube. I never earned money on YouTube on my life before, so none of this car came from YouTube or parts or nothing. So like, if we do start earning money from YouTube, that would be like a whole. Damn, another cop over here. What the fuck is going on, bro? I ain't gonna lie. What the fuck did I get myself into? Damn. I don't know what I got myself into tonight, y'all. Oh my god, another fucking cop. Are you serious? Alright, yeah. I ain't never recording a POV in this area again. GG, bro. I overuse my blinker like that, so you know I'm scared as fuck. You know I'm nervous. I don't overuse my blinker like that, dog. What the fuck? I'm over here using blinkers and shit. I'm nervous as a bitch. Why is so much cops in this area, bro? The reason why I'm nervous is like, yeah, I ain't gonna lie, Miami cops do not fuck with me, bro. Like, I went to Miami, what, like 3 weeks ago, right? To record a POV. Bro, tell me how I went on the beach, right? Nothing was wrong. Niggas pulled me over talking about, oh, my window tint too dark. I'm like, what the fuck? Are you serious? It's crazy, bro. And then the road is wet over here. What are the sprinklers? Because it was not raining. Another fucking cop. What the fuck? Nigga! Did y'all see that white car? If you didn't see that white car, that nigga was in the cut, like right here, bro. It was undercover. What the? Nah, this is crazy, gang. This is fucking crazy. Bro. Let me bring my ass home, nigga. No fucking way. Another fucking... Wow. I think I done seen about 10 cops tonight, bro. And there's another cop in front of this nigga. Wow, this is crazy. This is ridiculous, gang. Wow. I can't even turn back and change the routes, because like even if I do turn back, it's still cops back there, y'all. Some wild shit today. Yeah, this is a cop right here in front of me. This is definitely a cop. I ain't trying to pass this nigga though. Nigga pulled me over for no fucking reason. Then the sprinklers is on, get my car all wet and shit. Stuck at the light with this nigga, bro. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. It's gonna look suspicious if he... Oh, okay. I can stay right here. I was about to say, if he had more space to go up, it's gonna look suspicious if I just stop back. Another cop, bro. Another fucking cop. They ain't fucking with us tonight, y'all. But the build is coming along, y'all. Like, I mean, I like the build so far. I still got more parts to get. I got one y'all suggested some spoilers. Me personally, I like the no spoiler look. So I don't run spoilers at all. What is this nigga doing? Oh, let me bust it right and go this way. What I'm finna do? Cop was in the corner, you gonna have to catch me. I ain't gonna lie, gang. We on the freeway now. Fuck that. Anti like it's crazy. Y'all think adding an exhaust, I mean, I know it's a dumbass question, like, y'all think adding an exhaust will make the car sound any different? Like, I was gonna ask that, but like, obviously, yeah, but like, does it make a big difference on the B58, even though like it sounds nasty as fuck with the callus downpipe and the tune? I know it's a dumbass question, but does it make really a big difference? What I'm really trying to say is, like, is it worth it, basically? State troopers on the road right now. I ain't gonna lie, you gotta get it back in blood, gang. Imagine I see that niggas already see my plate in my video. And I know feel me? I said like edit my speed out and shit like that in my videos, bro. Like I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like I'm just too busy to do everything. I'm not gonna lie, dog. I'm trying to get content out and be consistent as well. Like, but I'm just like I run two businesses. Like I literally started another business, y'all. So like I'm currently running. I mean, I wouldn't consider YouTube a business, so I'm currently running like two businesses. This is literally just for fun and content, entertainment, and shit like that for y'all. Even though at the end of the day it could be a business, but like I'm running two businesses right now, so like I have really no time to edit. If you're an editor and you can help me with my videos and help me with like thumbnails and shit like that, please just let me know in the comments down below and we can work something out. But as for now, like I'm just very busy, bro. Like I have no time to edit videos. I have no time to sit here and like try to study this shit. So I'm just doing the best as I can. Like, I'm working with what I got, and I don't have that much time. So the last thing I'm gonna do is not produce content, and it's niggas that want to see this shit. Like it's niggas that want to see M340 videos and shit like that. Look at a Urus. That's just nasty, bro. She was the wrap matte black or maybe satin black, it looks like. Look at this nigga right here on the side of me, bro. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I'm getting better at driving with the scope on my face. It's like, I mean, like my last videos, I really couldn't really see like that, but now I'm getting better at it. Don't do it, little nigga. Look at this Honda Accord, nigga, bro. Is it raining? Thought it was raining for a second. I ain't gonna lie, I've been seeing some Accords cooking niggas, bro. I ain't gonna lie, they be cooking up though. Especially the Jamaican niggas that be driving them shits. On my mama, they know how to cut up. Niggas be cutting up with them shits on my mama. I seen a state trooper in my peripheral. I swear. Oh shit. Am I tripping? I just seen blue lights behind me. Is that nigga on the side or pull? I'm about to say. I swear to God, I seen blue lights behind me, bro. I think that's a cop from like back there. Just in case, let me speed up in case he's fucking following me. No way I'll let a fucking V6 Charger reel me in from all the way fucking here. Fuck no. Don't do it, little nigga. Fucking dumbass Tesla nigga still did it. Jackass nigga, bro. Niggas really wanna be. Oh fuck. Y'all see that nigga, bro? He trying to cut me off, bro. Goofy ass niggas, bro. So you gotta watch out for niggas. This road is so shitty. I'm bouncing like a motherfucker. Oh my god. Oh, another state trooper. GG, bro. What the fuck? These niggas is everywhere tonight. What is niggas on, bro? Did somebody commit a fucking heist or some shit? God damn. Can't get rid of these niggas tonight. Should we go to the airport? Imagine POV at the airport. I don't think no one ever did that shit. No. Should I go to the airport? Nah, I ain't gonna go to the airport tonight. Well, I might as well. Should I? Nah, fuck it. Probably next video. The airport is over there, y'all. I'll go take out through the actual tunnel and shit like that, but not tonight. Police is already on dick tonight, y'all. So I ain't finna do that. But let me know what else should I do to my car, y'all. Like, if you had M340 and you had my current build, same specs and shit like that, what else would you get done? Obviously, I'm gonna still get shit done to it. Obviously, I'm gonna do other shit to it, obviously. But like, I just wanna hear like y'all thoughts and y'all opinions and shit like that. No worry, guys. We're definitely gonna upgrade the turbo on this motherfucker. So. But other than that, like, let me know what y'all want to see. I went to Mexico, but y'all didn't really fuck with that video. I don't know if the thumbnail was bad or it was just a video y'all don't fuck with, or I don't know. Why is this nigga hogging both lanes? Like he's hogging both lanes. Or do y'all want to see like more like IRL shit, like more like me putting girls on the channel and shit like that? Like what y'all want to see? Y'all want to see bitches on the channel and shit like that? I mean, that's fine with me. I feel like that's a no-brainer. Like, who wouldn't want to see bitches on the channel? We're cruising. It's a motorcycle. Like EK Hatch. I ran back to EK Hatches, bro. You can see like them shit's fully built, but now I really don't see them no more, bro. I barely see EK Hatches now. Literally, bro. Like, I used to see some clean ass hatches growing up, like EK Coupes, EK Hatches, EG Coupes, EG Hatches, like this shit. I really don't see them no more. Like everybody moved on to like other shit. Real shit, man. I miss seeing them shits too, not gonna lie. And also, y'all, if you got an M340 and you watching this video right now, let me know if something's wrong with my M340, or I don't know, nigga. Every time I drive this car, like I fill this car up today, right? Now I'm at 77 miles. Every time I fill this car up, bro, I finish the tank in literally a couple hours. It used to last me a day or two. Now this shit do not last me a day no more. I don't know why. I don't know what the fuck is going on. I don't know if niggas is finessing me at the gas station or what. Like, nigga, I'm putting the same amount of fuel I used to put all the time. That shit lasts me like a day or two. Now that shit went from a day or two to goddamn couple hours, bro. Like that shit is crazy now, bro. Like literally, I don't know what the hell is going on. Good thing I don't drive it every day though. Oh, is that a Camaro? Let's see if he's trying to play. He got a bitch in the car. I ain't gonna do that. I ain't even gonna do that tonight, bro. I done heard a lot of niggas feelings when they bitch in the car. I ain't even gonna do that tonight. I'm gonna let him chill. I'm gonna let him chill tonight. I'm gonna spare him tonight, y'all. That's rule number one in the car world, bro. Never race a nigga when he got his bitch in his car, especially when you know your car faster. Don't never do that, dog. I ain't gonna lie, never do that shit. That's rule number 1, bro. You never want to do that shit. Especially if you know your car faster. Just let them have it, dog. Just let them have it. Now, if you gotta humble a nigga, if you trying to race you gotta humble a nigga, I mean, fuck it, you might as well do that shit, but and whoop his ass. Going the same way I'm going. Fuck. Sounds nasty, bro. Damn, it feels so good outside today, bro. Late night drives is like, it's just so peaceful, bro. Like, no one's on the road. This shit feels so nice, relaxing, calm, collected, bro. Like, this eases my soul right here, dog. Like, literally. This shit is nice, peaceful. And I'm gonna go ahead and launch it for y'all real quick, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and launch it before traffic. Oh, fucking terrible launch. GG. I low-key got scared, I ain't gonna lie. I low-key got fucking scared. I thought cops was behind me. I ain't gonna lie, low-key got scared. I pussied out. That was a terrible launch though. I know I'm gonna spin like crazy if I try to launch this motherfucker too. That's why I don't do launches, y'all. Oh my God. Damn. Alright guys. I know everything good must come to an end. You know that, right? So we gonna end it off here. Everything good must come to an end. So we're gonna end it off here, y'all. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for all the love, support, and everything. I'm gonna keep being consistent for y'all. I'm gonna keep dropping videos. You guys keep on subscribing to the channel, liking my videos, and support me through everything. Thank you guys so much. I'm gonna get another look around the car. Let me know how y'all feel about the GTS taillights. And the car is still coming along, y'all. Still got more shit to do. Still got more touch-ups to do. But let me know how I like it so far. And y'all know I'm not getting no spoiler at all. I like the no spoiler look. That's just my style right there. I never ran a spoiler, even on my 328, my 340, my Gen 1. Never ran a spoiler at all. So I don't know, I might switch it up this time and get a spoiler, but I just never liked them. I ain't gonna lie. But that's it for this video, y'all. Thank you guys for everything. Thank you for supporting me, liking the videos and commenting. And we out, y'all.